Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to view all shared media in a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. With the latest update, accessing shared photos, videos, and documents has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to WhatsApp Web. If you haven't logged in yet, scan the QR code displayed on your screen using your phone's WhatsApp app. Once logged in, you'll see all your chats and groups. Next, locate the group you want to explore from your chat list. Click on the group to open the conversation. This will display all messages exchanged within the group. Now, look at the top of the chat window where the group name is prominently displayed. Click on the group name to open its contact info. This action will bring up a new section containing various options related to the group. From here, find and click on the option labeled Media, Links, and Docs. This section is designed to organize all shared content within the group for easy access. Once inside, navigate to the Media tab. This is where you'll find all the photos and videos shared in that group. The media files are neatly arranged, making it simple to browse through them without scrolling endlessly through old messages. And that's it. You've successfully accessed all shared media in your WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web. Whether you're looking for an important document or revisiting a memorable photo or video, this feature makes it incredibly convenient. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Enjoy exploring your shared media.